Hey guys, Steven Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at G-Force Racing Gear's 6-point FIA certified harness. The FIA essentially means this is tested and certified in Europe, really some of the highest standards in the racing circuit today. Now with that said, let's move on to some of the features that they've built into the harness itself. First of all, this is a 6-point harness, as you can clearly see. You have those dual subs here, and those subs are in a 2-inch belt. And they all, both the laps and the shoulders and the subs, they all feature this really nice, easy to adjust adjuster. So all I do to loosen this is to pull this tab down, and to tighten it, I pull this tab up, and it works super simple. Once you're strapped in, that is very easy to do. Onto the laps, this also features a 2-inch belt, as you can see, with this nice red loop. This is a pull down system, but they do have pull up systems if you need those as well. And onto the shoulders, which is really where a lot of the impact is going to go if a collision ever does happen. These are at a 3-inch belt, and they move on to a 2-inch webbing, and that webbing is going to expand about 20% to reduce some of that impact should you ever happen to have a collision. Now at the center, you have this nice cam lock buckle, which is really how this system all works together. That's a 1/4 turn cam buckle, so all I do is turn this at a 1/4 turn, and it's going to release everything. Super simple to do. You latch in just as easy. It's very easy to do that. But you are going to notice this nice little red loop here. And that has the advantage of not only being able to easily adjust your shoulders, but also if you actually rope a bungee cord through here, if you're in a multiple driver race where you have to get out of your car and another driver has to get in super fast, you can tie bungee cords around this. And then once you turn that 1/4 turn, those are going to lift off your shoulders, allowing you to get out immediately and the other driver to get in and get to racing as soon as possible. Now these also feature this midnight black hardware, which looks great and gives your ride that overall aggressive look you're looking for. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on the 6-point harness from G-Force Racing Gear. As far as difficulty and time go, I really can't give this an accurate rating because this is going to depend entirely on your application, so just be aware of that. But if you have any comments or questions, leave those in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer those for you. Now if you want more general information and a part number, check the description below. We'll have all that for you there, as well as a dealer locator, so you can find a local dealer near you. We'll be happy to help you with an install, but also to make that purchasing decision as well. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Parts Pro in the Garage.